Hello, this is Nancy and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm participating in the Stencil It Up collab. I'll give more information later in the video. And right now I'm taking some spackling from Dollar Tree and I'm going to be adding some water until it gets nice and loose, or more creamier than it is in the jar. So I'm just going to keep on adding water until I get the consistency that I like. I saw Annie from Annie Jones do this on her channel one time, so I thought I could do it with mine. I got this stencil from Dollar Tree. It's a whole sheet. I just cut off the part that I needed. It's a sticky back stencil, which is great for this project. So I just center it on this piece of cardboard because this is going to go into my mini library / den, but I don't want to bring the whole building over here or the room to do that section. So I'm doing it on the cardboard, and then I'm going to be taping it and gluing it to the actual library in the end. And just spread it across the stencil. And since this is a sticky stencil, it's not going to lift up. But I start with this spatula sort of thing, but it didn't work for me, so you're going to see me switch to my fingers in a second. Just spread it all through the stencil until you get the whole thing covered. Like I mentioned before, this is part of the Stencil It Up collab, hosted by CJ at CJ DIY, and co-hosted by LaParsha at Creating It Myself, and Krista from Krista's Crafty Life. I'll leave their links and the link to the playlist down below. Once you finish adding the spackling, just pull it back and it gives you a little bit of a raised textured effect to it. And I did that to all the 3 pieces that I needed to do. Now I'm using the Waverly Antique Wax and just painting it all over the sides and in the front there. And I do that to all 3 pieces. Once that's dry, I'm using the Waverly White Wax, and I'm using the baby wipe to wipe up the excess on my finger because I don't want it too strong. But it just brings out the relief a little more with the wax, the white wax. You can go as light or as dark as you want with this the white wax. I just didn't want too much of a contrast. I just wanted, you know, a little hint that there's a relief there. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, comment below. What colors would you paint these panels? It's sort of like a tin type sort of thing. So would you do the same colors or a different color, copper maybe? Just let me know down below. Don't forget to check out the playlist below and the co-host and host. This helps our channels really grow and get noticed by YouTube. And I'm using this double-sided tape to put on the back of the cardboard to adhere to the wall of my little library. But it fell off, so I would suggest if you're going to do double-sided tape, add some glue to it to give it some extra support. Stay to the end to see how it came out in my little library den. And until next time, be brave, be strong, and create something with a stencil.